အားလုံးမင်္ဂလာပါအခုပန်းရောင်ပိုင်းမဟုတ်ဘူး Christmas လေးနေပြီဆိုတော့ပန်းရောင်ရဲ့ကြိုက်တဲ့ချင်းတစ်ပုဒ်ကိုဆိုချင်လို့ဒေဒီကိုဂီတာတီးပေးဖို့တောင်းဆိုထားပါတယ်ဒေဒီကဂီတာတီးပေးမယ်ပန်းရောင်ဆိုနဲ့နားဆင်ပေးရတဲ့သူတွေလည်းကြိုက်နေတဲ့မယ်လို့ပြောလိုက်ပါတယ် So Christmas is just around the corner and I just thought I'd do a quick cover on two of the songs that I really love. One is Last Christmas and the other one is my all-time favorite, All I Want for Christmas Is You by Mariah Carey. And Dad will be playing the guitar for me. I hope you enjoy it. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I'll give it to someone special. Once bitten and twice shy, I keep my distance, but you still catch my eye. Tell me, baby, do you recognize me? Well, it's been a year, it doesn't surprise me. Merry Christmas, I wrapped it up and sent it with a note saying I love you, I meant it. Now I know what a fool I've been, but if you kiss me now, I know you'll fool me again. 'Cause last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I gave it to someone special. A crowded room, friends with tired eyes. I'm hiding from you and you're so nice. My God, I thought you were someone to rely on. Me, I guess I was a shoulder to cry on. A face of a lover with a fire in his heart. A girl undercover, but you tore her apart. Now I found a real love, you'll never fool me again. 'Cause last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I gave it to someone special. Last Christmas I gave you my heart, but the very next day you gave it away. This year, to save me from tears, I gave it to someone special. 'Cause last Christmas this year last Christmas. I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come